and welcome to Knowledgewit. In this video, you are going to learn how to disable ads on your Android smartphones. You are tired of seeing ads on your smartphone while surfing the internet, using any third-party apps or playing games? Not again. Because after watching this video, you can disable those annoying ads from your smartphone. Let's take example of this site. Here you can find that in this bottom of the page there's advertisement. Also here you can also see after number 5 there's an ad too. So to disable this, firstly go to the settings. Here you can find connections. Go to connections. After connections, tap on more connection settings. Here tap on private DNS and then select private DNS provider hostname. Here you have to type dns.adguard.com and please check the spelling also. It's dns.adguard adguard.com and then save it. Okay, after saving, the ads from your smartphone will disappear. So let's check if it is working or not. So I'll refresh this page. Okay, so after refreshing the page, you can see after the number 5 you cannot see any ad, or in the bottom of the page there's also nothing. So it means this is working in my phone. Try this on your phone and comment if it is working for you or not. And also please note down that this trick doesn't work on YouTube app. However, you can watch YouTube ad free on your browsers. That's all for this video. See you later, and for such contents subscribe to Knowledgewit.